Let's go to Salt Lake. So today I had a customer email me, has a battery system, and he had a short 10-minute power outage, and the battery didn't kick over. So we have the backup interface. Breakers on. All right. We got an LG Chem RESU 10H and a SolarEdge 7600 setup enabled inverter. Scan the QR code on the side, toggle this over. It'll connect to the Wi-Fi on the unit. That's gonna update. I love SolarEdge, but I literally feel like all I do is wait. Software updates, tech support on hold for hours. And we're golden. Straight down to status. Error. 360 meter communication error. Got it all figured out. You can see a little blue comm light in the middle. That comm light was not on. And then when I took the cover off of this, you could see the blue and blue white had pulled out of the Phoenix connectors. When this cover comes on, it kind of like smashes the wires a little bit. If they're not torqued down all the way, they might pop out. Go ahead and test out the system one more time. The battery's at 70% charge. The house is using 0.7 kilowatts. The loads are pretty low. Power outage time. Power's off. You could hear the backup interface click over. So it says that the solar is producing 0.72 kilowatt. The battery is at 70% and it's actually powering all the loads inside the house and charging the battery right now. All right, let's go to the next job site.